kami ng mga tapes ng Arellano. Actually, Kayak yung pinaghahandaan namin eh. And then, na-postpone niya. So, meron lang kami 2 days preparation for Arellano. So, yung against San Beda, sabi ko sa mga bata, let's forget about San Beda. And we're looking forward for another game. Ito nga yung Arellano. So, hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-dwell doon sa masakit na talo sa San Beda. So, ang sabi ko lang sa kanila is, we treat this season as a game-to-game basis. So, maganda naman na maganda yung bounce back namin against San Beda.
Mark Acosta, graduating.
Mm-hmm.
And Cornejo, to lead all your scorers.
They are seniors, so in-expect ko naman sila mag-step up for this season. And nakikita ko naman yung kanilang dedication sa practice, saka yung leadership nila sa team na ito ngayon. And ang gusto ko lang sinabi ko lang sa kanila, gusto ko maging maganda yung exit nila this season. And they step up.
Coach, again, San Sebastian, yan, medyo mabigat na naman, yung
Have 1 week to prepare.
Yeah, we have 1 week to prepare for against San Sebastian, and we're looking forward for this game, and we're trying to prepare them very hard para at least makakompete kami, and hopefully na maging maganda yung laro ng mga bata.
Ano mo yung talagang kailangan kailangan para sa San Sebastian na matalo? Ano yung...
So, I think parehas lang sila ng San Beda eh. They're more experienced. Yung experience nila, yun yung talagang kinang ngayon because of their key players nandiyan. So, hopefully, yung experience nila matakpan ng namin, ang hustle namin, ang intensity namin. And yun nga, sana maging maganda yung preparation.
Coach, ano lang na-stop niya si Zulueta? Kasi diba 30-point explosion siya last week lang. So, you limited him to 10 points lang.
Yes, napanood ko yung pinabili namin yung tape na yun. Napanood ko yung mga attacking niya. We're trying to view the tape niya para makita yung mga tendencies ni Zulueta. And na-limit namin siya. Ang target niya namin is single digits and naka-10 points pa pala siya. At least maganda yung dinipensa from 30 to 10.
Kung hindi pa siya nakatrack na, parang malalimit sila below 50 points. Kung hindi pa sila naka-score ng...
So, medyo maganda yung depensa namin sa full game na yun. First half nga, naka-23 lang sila.
Okay, thank you.